Make every effort to keep yourselves united in the Spirit, binding yourselves together in peace. God delights in unity among His people, who are of one accord, of one mind. A cord of three strands is not quickly broken. Together means we are stronger, much stronger. In fact, we are weaker. Most loving God, we thank you for this beautiful message that you are going to impart on our children, that unity is strength. Lord, you are asking us to be united in mind and heart, and thus we may be able to bring peace to our society, to our school, and to our family. Dear Lord, give us this faith today, as our children are going to present on this day, that everyone may be able to take the message to our life through this special assembly. Bless all our children, that they may be able to abide in the rules of the school, rules of the family, and rules of the society. And through their life, they may be able to bring harmony and peace to the world. Entrusting ourselves in the hands of God and seeking His blessings, that we may be able to practice the unity everywhere in our day-to-day life. Amen.
Sisters, all teachers present here, and my dear friends, I am Meena Vashmi from class 3rd will be present a skit on topic unity is strength. Here is the argument between 5 figures. Now we will all see how equally important in words stand. Now I will invite Rudra and Rahul on stage.
Hello, I am Rudra and these are my fingers fighting with each other. Who is greater? Let's listen to them what they want to say.
It is starting now. I am Now Tom, you hold this ball. I can't do this. Now Indian finger, you hold this box. I can't hold this. Now middle, you hold it. I can't hold this. Ring finger, you hold this ball. I can't hold it. Now pinky finger, you hold it. Me too. I can't do this. Now you all come together and hold it. Yes, we can hold this. Now you hold it. This is because of unity. These five letters indicate so much love. Each together. So if we are united but strong, if we come together, anything is possible. You are right. We all are each in our own way. Unity is strength. Together we can do so much more. I think unity is important. Moral of the story: if we are united, we are strong. If we come together, anything is possible. So where there is a unity, there is always victory. Now I will invite my friends to sing a song. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I believe we shall overcome someday. Unity is Beloved principal, teachers, staff, and our students and participants. It was really a good time with all of you. Hope you all can enjoy our class learning assembly. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our class teacher, Mrs. Shweta ma'am, for all her support, guidance, cooperation, and choosing such a beautiful topic. Once again, I thank for it all present here. Thank you.
Unity? There is no sound. They shout out like that. Unity? Good. So unity is strength, not for evil things, but for good. So you saw the what story they have narrated? 5 fingers they have narrated, huh? You have seen? Yes. Can you, when you stand alone, are you stronger? When you stand alone, are you stronger or weaker? You're weak or strong when you stand alone. You're weaker, so we have to stand together. That's what the message they have given. So congratulations to all the students of 3rd F and Shweta ma'am for taking up the effort. It was really a wonderful message, though short but meaningful. And all of you are doing it so well that every time you are giving different themes. There will not be strength, unity, strength. So all of you have to stand together for good. Okay, to follow the rules of the school. You have studied in SSC, na? Rules in the